No, this is not clickbait. In this video, I'm gonna reveal to you a crazy, profitable product that I just found. Coming up. So I'm super excited to dive right in, but hey, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Crescent, and my passion is sharing tips and strategies on how you can create a successful Amazon FBA private label business. And if you enjoy videos like this, or especially if you've been around my channel, hit that like button or share this video with a friend. You'd be doing me a huge favor. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna do something a little different in today's video. The format isn't gonna be exactly the same as you're used to seeing. I'm just gonna kind of go off the cuff today because I'm just so excited to share this with you, as you're never really gonna get to see something like this anywhere else. Typically, when anyone finds a profitable product, they protect it and keep it hidden, and they never really reveal everything. So as a beginner, you never really get to see what a good product looks like 100%. Like what the product is, what good numbers look like, the planning and the thought process that you need to go through to analyze the data, and real ways to differentiate. Okay, so I hope you all appreciate this. I'm gonna share with you exactly how I found this product. You're gonna get to see the exact numbers and what they look like and why they're so insane, and my exact thought process on how I figured out the potential profits, how to add value by differentiating, and how to source and estimate the product cost. So basically, someone here after watching this video today can go ahead and run with this idea using exactly what I'm about to lay out and make a few $1,000s each month from this. Okay, so if that's you, go take some notes and go for it. Now, I know some of you are probably going, what are you, nuts? Why are you giving this away? Well, every day, I'm always learning. And I know as a beginner, the best way to learn product research is to see a real life example. And I already know the ins and outs of selling on Amazon, and I already have a profitable business. So I know sharing this will be way more beneficial to you guys, my followers, than it would be for me. So I want to share this with all of you so you can learn and get some real value from it. Okay, so I hope you appreciate this. Let's jump right in. All right, the product research technique that I like to use, I call it the letter method, and you don't need any special tools or anything. You just need Amazon open in a web browser, and I like to use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. Okay, so with Amazon open in your web browser, in the search bar, it's called the letter method because you just choose a random letter and see what shows up. So I usually just start with the letter A, or I start backwards with a Z and just go down the alphabet. So just to show you real quickly, what I do is I'll just type in, for example, A, and I'll see what shows up. And what I like to look for are products that are unique or out of the ordinary, or anything that kind of catches my eye that I'm not quite too familiar with. So nothing there. B, C, kind of like this, and then I'll go down. Sometimes I'll add another letter. So for example, C, R, see what shows up, A, O, L. So you just pick some random letters, right? And see what, like a clear purse. That kind of caught my eye there. What is that? So I'll click on that and I'll take a look, and this looks kind of interesting. And I'll click the Jungle Scout Chrome extension and take a look at the numbers, right? Now the price looks pretty good. Sales is crazy on this one. Reviews are kind of high. So it's kind of competitive, but the numbers look pretty good, but you kind of see what I'm going at here. So this isn't too bad of a niche here. Maybe it's worth looking into, and then I'll just go on. So for example, let's just say I like the word clear. I can add another letter as a second word. So then I'll go A and see what shows up. B, C, clear command hooks. See, like that's kind of strange. I don't know what that is. Okay, I don't know, it looks like it might be patented or something because it's got a 3M thing on there, but let's take a look anyway. Price is kind of low, sales is good, and it's way too competitive. Okay, so that's kind of how I do the letter method on Amazon. So this is how I found my product. So what I did yesterday is I actually sprained my neck, and it's killing me. It even hurts right now. And so I wasn't actually doing product research. I was actually going onto Amazon to buy something to help my neck. I was looking for something that was gonna help stretch it. So I typed in the word stretch, here, and I was seeing what came up here, and I was like, okay, well, what's this stretch band? This is exactly what I did yesterday. And so I look it up here, and I'm like, okay, well, this isn't what I'm really looking for. That's not going to help. Okay, and so I did stretching strap maybe. And I was like, no, that's not really what I'm looking for either. And so I did this, and I was looking down here, and I was like, well, what's a stretch wrap? Right? That looks kind of weird. So I clicked on that, and this is what popped up. I was like, oh, that's interesting. And it's something I've never seen before during my product research or in any product database. So I clicked on the I clicked on the Chrome extension, and take a look at this, guys. This is insane. All right, look at the numbers. The sales are crazy through the roof. And look at the number one listing. 22 reviews, $22,000 in revenue. Okay, look at the second one, 36,000 in revenue, 140 reviews. And look at this guy here, 9 reviews, $15,000, right? 6,000, 37 reviews, right? 10,000, 40 reviews, $50,000. Okay, this one's a little bit high, but I think Duck Brand here is a major brand, so I would kind of ignore that one. But look at $33,000, 300 reviews. Okay, this is insane. No competition at all. And look at the sales. It's absolutely crazy, right? So this just goes to show that sometimes you can just get lucky and find this crazy product. It literally took me 3 minutes on Amazon, and it just blew my mind. Blew my mind. Okay, so let's jump in here. Let's take a look at some of the profit margins here, all right? So let's take a look at like this first product here. This stretch film roll, right? So what you can do here, grab the ASIN, go to FBA calculator, paste it in here, okay? And this gives you all the product dimensions and details you need to calculate the fees, right? So if we go back to the product, and you can see here, they're selling it for $15.49. Okay, so, and this is the column you're interested in to calculate your profits. So put an item price of $15.49. And so we'll need to know approximately what this is going to cost us. So we'll go over to Alibaba, okay, and you type in stretch wrap, and this is what you see here. Okay, so you kind of come down here and get an estimate of what this stretch wrap roll is going to cost. So you can see it's anywhere from $1 to $1.40, around $2 here. Again, around $2, $1.50, right? Let's see here. What are we seeing here? Anywhere around $2, $1.50. So let's just say on the high end, it's $1.50, right? And then it's probably like another 50 cents to ship it. So if we go back to the calculator, the shipping, you just put 0, and we'll just add the shipping and the unit cost together. So we'll just say it's $1.50 plus 50 cents to ship it. We'll say it's $2, okay? Calculate. Look at that, $4.78 profit per unit. And look how many units they're selling here every month. 1,500 units per month with the $4.78 profit. What is that? Let's put it in the calculator real quick. 1,400 units at $4.78. $6,700 in profit every month. That's crazy insane with 22 reviews. Okay. All right. Now let's even take a look at a different product like this. Let's come down here. Look at the second one here. Okay. $36,000 in revenue every month. Okay. And this is a bundle of 2 with a handle on it, right? So let's grab the ASIN here. Let's go back to the calculator, and we'll click this. Let's put this ASIN in. Okay, and let's go back to Alibaba and take a look at what we can dig up here. Let's go back to and let's see if we can find a similar product. Scroll down. Okay, here's one, $2 to $2.50. Let's see, maybe I have to do a different search here because I'm not seeing many here. Here's $1.80. Let's try this here. Stretch wrap with a handle. Here we go. Okay, so that's, wow, that's expensive there. Here you go, $2 for this one. $1.90, $1.50, $1.66. Let's say it's $2, right? Let's say it's $2, and let's just say it's $1 to ship it. Now, let's come back over here. They are selling this for $15.98 for the pair, $15.98. And again, we said it's $2 plus $1 to ship it, so let's say it's $3. Click calculate. You can see they're making $5 a unit, right? And they are selling 2,200 units a month, okay? 2,200 units a month times $5. $11,000 in revenue off this one product, guys, okay? Can you see the potential here? This niche is just insane. I can't believe it. So, yeah. Okay, so now let's take a look here. Let's take a look at, which one was it? This one here I was looking at. Look at this guy. $55.99 unit price, 9 reviews, $15,000 revenue, and it's a 4-pack of the same thing. So let's go back to the calculator here, and a 4-pack, so we said it was $1.50 a roll, right? So multiply that by 4, and we'll say it's $6, right? So we'll add $6 to this. We'll just say it's $8 all in for that 4-pack. Okay, and it's $55.99. So if we calculate that, $33 in profit per unit. Isn't that insane? Okay, and how many are they selling? 4-pack. They're selling 273 units. What's the math on that one? $32 at 270 units. $9,000 a month. My mind is blown. Okay, this niche is just insane. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do here then is figure out how you can differentiate. Okay, so this is how easy it can be. You got to make sure when you're differentiating that you are adding a way that has value. A lot of people will just throw an ebook in there, or adding something that they believe goes with the product, but you have to have proof or demand that this is something that will bundle well and people will actually want. And one method I love to use is to look at the frequently bought together products, right? So if we go back over here and we'll take a look at this very first one, and you can scroll down, you'll see here it's frequently bought together is this bubble wrap and this packing tape. All right, and if you notice, if we just pick any one of these, if we go to, let's see, this guy, see, here's the bubble wrap and the tape. So you can see a lot of these, a common purchase is these bubble wraps and tape. And it makes sense because you're buying this to move, right? So you need tape and you need bubble wrap and you need this wrapping stuff to move your furniture or whatever you're doing, right? So it makes sense to bundle these together, but no one in this niche has a bundle like this. All right, so let's go back to Alibaba and let's see how much we can get this bubble wrap and tape for. All right, so let's take a look at the packing tape. And let's get a ballpark of what this costs. So we can see, let's take a look here, anywhere 10 cents to $1, 10 cents to 50 cents, 50 cents. See here, 50 cents. Looks like it's around 50 cents a roll, right? We'll say 50 cents a roll, okay? And if we go back over here and take a look, I think these are in a 6-pack. So 50 cents a roll, 6-pack, that's $3, right? So $3 to add this this packing tape. And then the bubble wrap, let's see how much that is. We'll go back to Alibaba. And let's see here, 80 cents. 30 cents. This is 2 to 250. What do we have here? 90 cents. Let's see here. So let's see. So let's just say it's around, let's just say it's $1, right? is a good price here for this. Let's just say it's $1. 80 cents. Let's say it's $1 for the bubble wrap. So $3 for the tape, $1 for the bubble wrap. We'll go back to the FBA calculator here. So we have the 4-pack for $8. We're going to add $3 for the tape and then $1 for the bubble wrap. So that's another $4. So we add that to, so that's $12, calculate. And we can actually raise the price now. Now let's come back over here and you can see people are paying $14.88 for the bubble wrap and $11.60 for this dispenser or tape. So that's another $25 extra. So if we add another $10, let's just say, for this bundle, which makes it cheaper to buy it as a bundle, go back to the FBA calculator and we'll add $10 to this, so we'll make it $65 for the bundle and hit calculate. And now our net profit is $37, right? And let's just say we only sell 200 units. So $37 at 200 units, that's $7,400 a month in profit, right? That's underestimating it, even if you sold half of that, right? That's a $3,700 profit product, all right? I mean, this is insane. So, I mean, I'm not going to jump in on this. So if someone wants to go ahead and do this, all the power to you. Go in there, get some prices from suppliers, get it put into Amazon and just go at it. I mean, this niche is insane. All right, so I hope you guys find some value in being able to see how a product can be found just by tweaking your product research method or thinking outside the box a little bit, and that how you can identify products are just a little bit out of the ordinary. Because for me, I never saw this product before doing product research using the conventional methods, like using the product databases and just looking through the best sellers and stuff like that, okay? And so now you can kind of see what a good product and what the data looks like to accompany it, right? High demand, and how you can effectively bundle with this without having to be crazy and think of these crazy elaborate methods or useless methods to differentiate. Sometimes it's right in front of you. But bundles needs to make sense. And so whoever's buying these products are moving. So it makes sense to bundle it with the packaging tape and bubble wrap. Okay, so I hope you can take this new product research technique and roll with it. Okay, no pun intended, and go find yourself a profitable product. Or if you want to take this one and run with it, by all means go for it. Okay, I want to see you guys be successful as well. All right, I hope you found value in this video, and you can now see the process that's involved in how you find a potential product and how you analyze the data, figure out the numbers and profits, and especially effective ways to differentiate. All right, and I hope you appreciate it. Now, if you found value in this video, you know what to do. Click that like button or share this video with a friend, and make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you want to find more tips and strategy videos, you can click or tap over here. There's also a link in the description to our community forums, which you should totally join. And as always, thanks for watching.